Hello, boys and girls. Today, you and your friend will be playing Vowel Digraph Baseball. You need to collect your materials. You will need your baseball fields. You will also need your baseball card word cards. And you will also need two counters, one for you and one for your partner. This is your time to collect all your materials. Pause the video. Now that you have all your materials ready, you and your partner need to first decide who is going to be the pitcher and who is going to be the batter. Don't worry because you both will have the chance to be both positions. Choose now who's going to be the batter and who's going to be the pitcher for the first round. Now, the pitcher is going to select one word card that should be face down. Once you pick up your word card, don't show your partner. You want to keep it a secret. What you're going to do is you're going to read the word out loud to the batter. Now, the batter, what you have to do is you have to repeat the word that the pitcher said. For example, if the pitcher said toast, you would repeat the word toast. And then you need to identify the vowel team and the sound it makes. So if I said toast, I would say the vowel team is O-A, and that makes the O sound. Once the batter has identified the sound and the vowel team, the pitcher would need to decide if they had did it correctly. If the batter did pronounce the vowel team correctly, then they're able to take their counter and they are able to move to the first base. Once they get to the first base, the pitcher will do the same thing and pick a new card. If they don't get it correctly, then they don't get to move. If they don't get it correctly, that counts as an out. You will switch positions once you get to 3 outs or 2 runs, which means that the batter goes around the baseball field twice. Once that happens, or if you get 3 outs, then the pitcher becomes the batter and the batter becomes the pitcher. Have fun!